Today I want to show you Bloom Trading Bot, one of the biggest and best trading bots out there at the moment, and especially when it comes to their meme coin sniper and the different type of sniping features that they have in their bot. So let me show you exactly what makes Bloom so unique, show you how you can utilize their sniper to make a lot of money from meme coins on Solana, and I'll also show you how their bot works in general because they have a lot of other cool features like their copy trading feature as well as their Chrome add-on extension, plus just being an overall really good trading bot. So especially now after Pump.fun announced Pump Swap, which is their own native DEX, having a super good and super quick and reliable sniper is so important because there's no longer any bonding time. You don't have to wait 30 minutes for a coin to bond from Pump.fun over to Radium anymore. It's gonna happen instantaneously. So that's why this is so important. Now, if you do want to check out Bloom for yourself after watching this video, you can get 10% less trading fees by signing up with the link down below in the description. Also help support the channel. But anyway, let's dive straight into it. So this is a Telegram trading bot. Probably looks similar to a lot of other Telegram trading bots you might have used previously. But the features I want to highlight first is their sniper as well as their AFK mode, meaning that you can just set it up and then go touch some grass for 2 days and the sniper will still be active, sniping the specific tokens you want to snipe. So as you can see right here, it says our latest feature lets you go AFK while Bloom automatically snipes tokens based on contracts posted on Twitter. This is essentially how it works. You add your own configuration, you add whatever Twitter account you want to snipe, set the configurations up how you want them, and if the Twitter account actually tweets a contract address or a ticker, Bloom will automatically snipe that token right away. So if I click into AFK mode, I add a new configuration right here, click onto it. It might look a bit complicated, it's really not. It's just a lot of different options and a lot of customization when it comes to setting up your very own configuration. So obviously at the top, you can leave most of this the same. Bot processor, you can turn on multi-region. I'm not gonna do that. Now let me first of all show you how to set up their Twitter feature that I just showed you. You obviously need to have Twitter enabled. You can set your own buy amount. For example, in this case, let me put to Solana. I'm gonna increase my fee a little bit to 0.1. Slippage, I'm gonna increase a little bit as well. This obviously all depends on what type of token you want to be sniping. But let's in this case use, for example, Eric Trump as an example. Let's say I've heard rumors that Eric Trump might be launching his own token. I'm going to click on this Twitter handle button right here and then just paste his Twitter. And there you go, I will now be sniping tokens that Eric Trump tweets about. But as you can see right here, you can also customize what sort of tweet you want to be sniping. I obviously want to snipe a token if he actually tweets it himself. I also want to be sniping any CA or ticker that he replies to, or that he adds in his bio, that he retweets. So no matter how Eric Trump interacts with a token address, I will be sniping it. And then if someone like Eric Trump were to launch a token, I want all of these options to be on so that I have the biggest chance of getting in. I don't really care about the minimum market cap. I am going to put a maximum market cap because let's say if Eric Trump launches a token, I would expect that to maybe go up to like a couple $2 billion. So I'm going to set the maximum market cap for the sniper at 50 million. So the sniper will only snipe the token if it's under 50 million in market cap. You can also set your own buy tip amounts. I would probably increase that a little bit as well. And once all of these options are set up to your liking, you would just activate it right here and you're good to go. The sniper is now up and running. So if Eric Trump ever were to post a CA or a ticker, I would snipe it right away and get in super early. So this is a really cool and unique sniping feature. And if you wanted to use these exact same settings just for another Twitter account, you can just duplicate your configuration and change the Twitter handle. But for now, let me turn this off and let me go back because you also have an option to snipe Radium or Pump.fun tokens. So if I add a new configuration, click onto here and instead of Twitter, I would do, for example, Radium. You can see that now these options change. So instead of sniping a Twitter handle, I have the option to snipe, for example, a specific whitelisted mint or a whitelisted deployers. So if I have, for example, a developer address that I think is likely to launch another big meme coin, I can paste his address in here and only snipe tokens launched from that specific address. Or you can choose to snipe any exact tickers or any like name or tickers that contains a specific word. In here as well, you have a lot of customization that you can choose yourself. And once you have set it up to your liking, you can activate it. And essentially the same thing with Pump.fun. And then they also have the LP sniper, which is more of a normal sniper. So I can create a task and I can paste any sort of contract address I want to snipe. Let's say I, for example, wanted to snipe this token as soon as it migrates. It's now at 25k market cap. I would just copy that address, paste it in here, and then I would set up the buy amount, the tip, the fee, the slippage, etc. And then once this is all set up, I would activate it and the sniper would snipe the token as soon as it bonds. So this is definitely one of the best snipers on the market right now, definitely. But as I said, they also have a lot of other really cool features and they are a super quick overall trading bot. Let me show you exactly how to get set up with their Chrome extension, because this is also a great feature. So I will leave the link to this document down below so you can check it out for yourself. But essentially you want to go over to the Chrome store and here it is. It has over 10,000 users, 4.8 stars in rating. You would add it to Chrome. Once that is done, open up the extension and as you can see, you need to get a code. So just click on get code and it will send you back to Telegram where your code will be. Go back to Chrome, paste the code into the bot, click verify, and there you go, you're all set up and ready to go and it will be linked to your Telegram account. So if you click on settings, you now have the option to customize your different settings. Because how this works is basically an overlay onto any other trading bot. Not just trading bots, but it also overlays directly onto Pump.fun or DEX Screener, as you can see right here. So if you're looking at a specific token, you can buy that straight from this overlay. And the quick buy and quick sell feature, etc., those are the settings that you can customize yourself right here. So you can create different presets. Let me just say YouTube test for this one. You can put buy amounts. Let me put, for example, 0.2, 0.6, 1, 3, and 5 Solana for buy amounts. For sell percentages, I want to use 10, 25, 60, and 100. Then you can also set your own buy tip, your slippage, etc. Let me put 30% in slippage, for example. Save presets, and then you can go ahead and save presets, and there you go, you now have that preset saved. And if you go back, you can see that it's now been updated right away on here as well as on DEX Screener. And let me just click onto a random token, for example this one. If I wanted to buy it, I just click right here. There you go, buy order sent. And as you can see, it's been completed right away. And you can now go ahead and sell it directly on this add-on as well. So this is a great feature, makes it so much easier and quicker to get in and out of trades. And then let me just quickly show you their copy trading feature as well, which is another great feature. Obviously, just click on copy trading, click on add a new configuration, then just paste whatever contract address you want to copy. Let me just put this one as an example. Then you need to do a name. So I'm going to do test 1. And then you get all of these settings as well. Similar to the sniper, you can choose if you want to buy the exact same amount. You can buy a percentage of the wallet you are copying or by a fixed amount. You can choose what platforms. I'm not going to go too much into detail into their copy trading right now. If you want me to do a copy trading challenge using the Bloom copy trading feature, do let me know down below. I love making these copy trading challenge videos to really put these features to the tests. But overall, Bloom is probably the best sniper on the market right now that I've been able to find, and overall just a really good trading bot that I can highly recommend. So if you want to check it out and get less fees on their platform and help support me if you got any value from this video, make sure you sign up with my link down below in the description. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe down below. If you have tried Bloom yourself, let me know what you think of it down below. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you guys later. Peace.